Hi, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa. Thanks for joining me on this tour of a Dollar Tree in northern Maryland. It's beautiful here in the mountains. The color is just starting to come against the mountain, and with the light and the shadows, it's really pretty. I wanted to show you a little bit of the view. I arrived at Dollar Tree and was greeted by a combination of fall pumpkins as well as all of the new Christmas florals and stems. You can see they're starting to display a lovely assortment of Christmas-inspired florals, stems, leaves, pine cones, berries, a lot of glittered and flocked stems as well. I'm going to be doing some beautiful centerpieces I think you'll enjoy seeing. And all of these winter garden inspired flowers are going to be beautiful accents for them. They have a lot of different vibrant colors. Now entering the store, we'll take a quick look at the Dollar Plus. Here's an aisle full. These large signs were $5 a piece, and I ran into a lady who said she had just seen similar for $25 a piece in another store. These large bells are really nice quality for $3 and come in 3 different colors: cranberry, red, gold, and silver. Up here, there's a nice assortment of decorated trays and kitchen pot holders, as well as there's a garland. Those are tablecloths and some very richly colored ribbons. Up here is another tray, nostalgically inspired Santa. Santa Claus is coming to town. Also, with kind of a nostalgic look, are some of the metal signs. They have a Santa Claus and a really cute snowman with a reindeer. They call them metal leaners. Here are some reindeer. I think the antlers are overdone on these. Other than that, they're pretty. They had some nice trees. And these dimensional signs, I think for $5, are really well made. They would serve as nice backdrops for some displays. They had an assortment of Santa Clauses. Here's a nice backdrop as well in the gingerbread theme. And here's one in the winter wonderland with a woodland-inspired look to it with reindeer and different trees. Here are some countdown clocks, days until Christmas. They had an assortment of designs. This was my favorite with the snowman and the carrot nose that counts down the days. These little booties made with the sweater, argyle kind of fabric, and the snowflakes are ones I picked up for a snowman project I'm going to make. Here's some other Christmas ornaments. They had quite an assortment of Christmas ornaments, from the bling embellished to the softer ones. Quite a nice variety I saw. Here's an embellished owl. They have the trees that they have every year in the green and the white, and I always pick up quite a few of those. They have the smaller ornaments to decorate them this year. Here in the overlay, you can see some of the ways I've used the trees last Christmas to make swags and embellish them with all different kinds of accents. We'll make some more this year. Speaking of trees, they had a lot of bottle brush trees decorated in different colors. These Believe and Merry signs are designed for tabletop decor. Beside these plush stockings, they had these in beautiful, rich textures, very, very soft, embellished with the pom-poms. They have them in a creamy white, a gray, and a red. They had many, many different styles of ribbon, all different colors, and 3 different colors of 2-tiered trays. These soap dispensers were really pretty, and in my store they had 2 styles, the tree and the red truck bringing home the Christmas tree. They're very nicely finished and a nice weight to them. Here's another tabletop decorative item. These little plush were $1.25, and my absolute favorite was the little gingerbread man. I definitely brought one of those home to put on top of a Christmas stocking. Here are some placemats they had with the newly displayed dishware. These placemats, along with the dishware, are holly inspired. Here's one in vibrant plaid colors. Here's some of the bowls with the holly and berry and pine design. These little snowman ornaments were adorable. Here's some light strings in the LED lights in different patterns, and I'm showing you with a little tester button how they light up the different designs. They had 3 different ones. This has the traditional Christmas colors. Here the tree, the snowman, and the red truck. And over here they had red, white, and blue. Here are some beautiful ornaments as well as some very large snowflakes, all in the $1.25 section. They had the snowflakes in different colors. They had a big assortment of mugs, the Santa Claus, the snowman face, and different ones that had different sayings, baking spirits bright. Here again, the snowman faces I thought were really especially cute. Here are some new ornaments this year. This one has the little red truck. It says merry and bright. And these glittery ones actually light up. They have a tester button that I'm showing you. It goes into different color modes. So I think that would really be pretty in a darkened space. But you can see the colors are nice. Now down here they have the clear ones. And this year they have some that are extra large, also for the $1.25 price. There was a beautiful assortment of Christmas ribbons. Here they have the LED projector light. We'll give that a try. I hear they work pretty well. Speaking of lights, this angel lights up. I'm showing you here the DIY ornament styles. These are the snow globes, and they had several boxes of those, and stacked on top they had the other style, the other shape. Up here they had for $1.25 as well some nutcrackers, and over here now I'm showing you the resin molds. They seem to be expanding that category. Also in the plus aisle they had more items for crafting. Here, I'm not sure exactly what these are designed for, but for $3 each, they had them in love and hope. Here's some adhesive stencils and paintbrushes, as well as other shapes of pots and containers that I suppose you could use for crafting. Here, again, I'm just giving you some more glimpses of the $1+ items. These are the 4-foot candy canes for $5, and you can see an assortment of Santa Clauses and the larger nutcrackers as well. Here they had some swags, but I think we can make some that are prettier than these using the Christmas trees. We'll do that in an upcoming video. Here they had the larger nutcrackers, which actually have the mouths that open and close using the lever on the back. You can see I'm just demonstrating that with these. And the ever popular red truck is back. These are cute, and they carry Christmas trees. Here's some leggings. Here are some very sweet little shelf sitters with the beaded legs that are designed to dangle over the side of the shelf. They have them in snowmen and Santa Clauses, and you can see them here in different clothing and fabrics. They're very cute. And again, the Santas. Here's some more Christmas trees. I think these are really pretty in the metal and in the plaid fabric wrapped. Moving down here, they had some plaques. Merry Christmas and Oh Holy Night. For $3 a piece. These doors were impressive. They were very large, and you can't tell from the video, but they actually are very sizable. The white one that says Merry Christmas is pretty. And I'm now just giving you another quick look at this shelf. Again, some of these arrangements that are $5, I feel as though we could create those ourselves. Be more fun. And here's some pretty kitchen items, some candle stick pedestals, and over here more ornaments. They had some of these rounds, and again, I think we could make those. They were in the plus aisle. The wreaths were nice. They could be used as a basis for embellishment. These little snowmen have light and sound, as do the Santa Clauses. I didn't see a tester available. Now, these tinsel ornaments are back, and I saw some more designs. They, in and of themselves, aren't really that great, but they do offer an opportunity for easy removal of the tinsel. Last year, I removed the tinsel on the candy cane, on the gingerbread man, and on several others, and I wrapped them in the beautiful plush yarn made by Yarn Bee, and that really elevated the look. You can see here some of the darling tinsel to yarn transformations that I did last Christmas and look forward to doing again this Christmas. In the meantime, if you'd like to see a demonstration, I have multiple ones done on my channel, on my playlist from last Christmas crafting. As I conclude, I just want to show you a few small gift ideas. Here's a set of 6 pullback cars for $3. Some cute mirrors in different shapes. These baskets are also $1.25, and they had a variety of styles. They're very nicely made. I think they would be fun to hold a lot of different kinds of things on a desk or nightstand. Here are some pretty little tabletop decorative items. Home, love with the beads in between. These knobs I had never seen before. They came in different pastel colors as well as the clear, and I think they would be nice for crafting. Here are some very pretty colors of vases, as well as some of their classic styles that are so useful for all kinds of embellishing. I buy the cylinder vases quite often to embellish them. Here is a nice assortment of nutcrackers, all for $1.25. Here's another cute little stocking stuffer idea. These are actually pencil holders in the shape of little wheelie trash containers. They open up, you can see at the top. They come in a variety of colors. This was a really nice activity book, also $1.25, and it included a wide variety of stickers as well as some very nice stickers at the front. Here are some nice plaques. All of this, again, is part of the $1.25 section, as are these ornaments, which were quite nice. They introduced the plaid this year, the black and white and the red and black, and some skis. And then they had the wooden ones that are really nice, as well as these little metal sleds. I think they would be so cute if you had a little mini teddy bear tucked inside. Some of these others look like Pottery Barn, the wooden ones. Here's another cute little snowman. And these were especially cute, the little snowball snowmen faces. Those were darling. This has been fun. If you've enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and also please consider subscribing. I post new videos at least once a week. Take care, and God bless.